Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this part. So let's start. As you can see that I am currently in part mode. So what we can do is select the top plane, click on sketch. Now draw the shape or I am using center rectangle and give them width and height as per your requirement. In my case I make it 200 by 200 and go to the features, click on extrude post base, extrude as per your requirement. So in my case, I think 500 is fine or 600 is better. 600 is fine. Click OK. Now to make it bend, what I can do is go to the insert features, uh, features, and I will choose something called flex. What I want to do, I want to do twisting. Select this and select this shape. And how much twist I want. Enter the value. Let's say 720. Notice this is how it looks like. You can enter the value of 360 as well if you want. And if I click OK, this is how it looks like. Now suppose say that you want to bend this. So how can you bend it? Again, select this part, go to the insert, features, go on flex, click on bending and enter the angle. Let's say 360 degree. Click OK. Okay, I think the bend is quite high, so that's the issue. So click on here. So instead of 360, let's say 90. You can see this is how it looks like. If I make it 180, so this is how it looks like. Click OK. But I want to make another half. So what I can do, click on here, click on mirror, click on faces to mirror, sorry, bodies to mirror, select this body. About which face I want to mirror, select this face, click OK. So in that way we have created this shape. So you can make a lot of things as per your requirement. So yeah, I love to see your creativity. And that's for all. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.